Hello everyone, I'm Harder D, and let me fix that. I'm Harder D, and we're back playing The Evil Within. We're low on ammo, and we got a bunch of guys coming at us. And Joseph is being a completely useless dick. So really, what's new? Yeah, just... There we go. What do we got? Ooh, some more handgun bullets. Good, I definitely need those. There we go. So this guy's over there. You're doing nothing, Joseph. I definitely don't want to go down there. That looks like a murder hole. Oh, that's what. I forgot that I turned this thing on. Because I'm like sitting there thinking, it's like, why does it sound like there's a chainsaw? Alright, buddy. There you go. That's how it's done. What's this? Oh, a new type of ammo. That's probably for my, Nope! That's probably for my, whatchamacallit. That's probably for my, Oh, they broke my mirror! Well, they broke my broken mirror. But anyways, that's probably for my sniper rifle. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh, safety bottle. Oh, come on! I was literally facing that the other way. There we go. Make jam out of that guy's brain. You actually doing something down here useful? Huh? You being useful for once in your life? Alright, Joseph, you got the guy. You got it! Oh, man, there's even more guys coming. Wow! Or just get your ass kicked. There you go. There you go. Finally, you're doing something useful. Even if it's just getting your ass kicked for me. There you go. Heal you. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Double kill right there. Oh, nope. Where is it? There it is. There we go. Disable that. Finally, Joseph, you're doing something useful. Kill him. You missed. Come on. You got him. I believe in you. Oh my, you're still alive? Go away. Go away. No one likes you. Come on, Joseph. There you go. Finally. Watch out for that guy. I am very happy letting him finally do something for me. Joseph, you left one alive. You left one alive, Joseph. That's what you get for not swinging your axe. Oh, make me do everything. Oh, come on. I think this guy's just been going up and down ladders all day. Come on. Oh, not the stupid mask. There you go. That's what you deserve. Good. More ammo. Nice little hatchet. There you go. Things are coming around nicely. Joseph is finally doing something useful in his existence. There you go. Alright. At least I can heal him for free. That's handy. So that way I can keep throwing him in danger. Why again are you kicking? Alright, we got a choice. Left or right? I hate making these choices. Right, let's go right. Oh! I chose poorly. Nope. Oh man, hatchet does not work immediately on him. But shooting him in the head does. Wow, geez, Joseph. So, like, this whole time, he's just all like, oh, I can't do anything, and then finally he gets an axe, he's all like, I'm gonna murder everything. Alright, was that really... Enough of the kicking. Enough of the kicking. Sebastian, you're an idiot. There you go. Oh, good, I couldn't use a heal already. There we go. Jeez, he's finally being useful. There we go. Pick up one of these. So our enemies just gonna like infinitely spawn? Oh, what the hell? And now I'm being shot at because you were so much of an idiot that you had to go and kick someone that's already dead. Joseph, fuck off. Where is this guy? I have no idea where this guy is that I'm looking for. Oh well. Grab this. I have no idea. There we go. Alright, well, we're making progress. I'm hearing noises of someone, but I have no idea where they are. Can it hit me over here? It cannot. Joseph, cover me. There you are. I'm not going to be back attacked, am I? Alright. Ha ha ha! Whoa! Why am I not able to set him on fire? All I want is to set people on fire. Come on, pick up the torch. There we go. There we go. The fire definitely comes in handy. Alrighty. Joseph, out of the way. No one likes you. Oh, so now I can't go back up here. I wonder if I missed anything in the other door. Ugh, rub my face. Anything up here? Nope. Oh, more ammunition. Perfect. Nothing over here. Ooh, is that a box of ammo over there? That looks that way. How did I not see that before? Alright, so I still have this middle section. Oh, that's out. Come on, open again. There we go. See, Joseph, that's how you deal with them. Oh, the whole thing falls. It's pretty unstable. There you go. Heal you. Pick up this. Oh, no, switch weapons. Well, that worked out very nicely. I was already over here. So I just need to pick up ammo and then proceed. Oh, and of course, I gotta be whiny and... Oh, more ammo. Perfect. I do love ammo. Boop. Do not roll off the edge, you idiot. There we go. There we go. I think we're good to continue. I don't like how the music's still like ramped up. It's all like, yeah, it's all like, can you, are there more enemies, or he's being like a really big dick or something? What? Did I miss one? How did I miss that one? I really thought that I got them all. Where is it? It's right there. Okay. So, how am I going to activate it? Maybe from that side. I just don't want a again, my running speed. I just don't want a giant thing. Oh, wait, never mind. I can go up here. Sitting there and pelting a bunch of things at me when I don't know what's going to be coming next. Maybe if I go over here, it might activate, because it seems to be, like, down below. Oh, don't drop your torch, buddy. I hate that I can't just, like, put my torch aside. It's like he has to drop it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Really? Ugh. I don't want to go in there because I'm going to be pelted by a bunch of garbage. Joseph, run in there. Sacrifice yourself for me. Oh, and just... Jump, Sebastian. There you go. Oh. Almost missed this brain juice. Alright, we almost have enough to get us the extended amount. I wonder if I can. There we go. But I can't see him. Like, what the hell? Can I climb up this box? Well, that's dumb. So I can't even activate this thing. Oh, I think I can finally... There we go! I got him. Joseph, why are you not coming down here? I don't like that Joseph is not coming down here, because that really makes me worried. There we go.
Nothing should stand in the way of getting to the tower now.
See? I knew Joseph wasn't coming down here. Oh, no, 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 no. I am good, thank you. Alright. Come on, melee him. There you go. Set him on fire. Oh, again with the running. Apparently they're supposed to do a lot of damage. Oh, he's still alive. Oh, right in the crotch. Just be dead, just be dead. Oh, good, he's dead. Oh.
Let's be careful. It could be full of them.
Where the fuck were you? Jeez. I always hate, he like shows up and he's all like, oh man, it's all like, you should have been careful. It's like, maybe I should have had my partner. I'm going to kill him. I'm straight up going to kill his ass. Like, he could have done something. Thrown me the axe at least. Oh, enough with the running. Alright, we got some of this, a few bullets. Oh, at least we got our harpoons back. Hopefully those harpoons are actually doing some decent damage. Alright, what's in here? Oh. What the hell?
The elevator is stopped at the top. Let's look for another way up.
You mean these stairs? Yeah. Sounds good to me. You're in my way. There we go. Oh, and there's a safety room. Alright, let's... Booyah! Alright, let's check out this place real quick. Ooh. Alright. 8 months since Mira and I were married, and... Mia and I were married, and you... Oh, little Lily, are the result of our love. I can't wait for 2 months to pass so I can finally meet you. But I must admit I am scared. I have faced countless dangers in my job, but knowing I'm going to be a dad is the scariest thing of all. I promise to love you and protect you with every fiber of my being as long as I am in this world. I will enter this stage of my life the same way I do every important task, with full heart and the desire to do my best that I can. Just know that your mother and I love you already and cannot wait to welcome you into this sometimes harsh world. Oh, so he's got a kid. So I'm married, I have a kid. Alright, finding out a little bit more about him. But anyways, that's enough for this episode. We're going to continue on because that's what we do. Anyways, and yeah, we're learning a bit more about Sebastian, the alcoholic, because why not make him an alcoholic? I still know nothing about the game, but Joseph is still useless. So anyways, I'll be seeing you next time, and have a great evening. Bye-bye!